Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel named Learning to Learn. So, yes, today we are going to talk about various types of notes, right? So, I'm going to show you today the different types of notes which you can make and how to preserve those notes because that is really important. Okay, so let me talk about this particular thing. This is one of my oldest notes which I've ever made, and if I'm not wrong, this I made in the year 2000. Let me see, just let me check it once a minute. Okay, if I haven't written a date, you might not get. Fine. Okay, I did not write the date, but I think it is of 2009. Yes, 2009. So it is like 11 years old because now it is 2020. Fine. So these notes, when I made, I was in my first year of graduation, and the biggest mistake I made was I did not take proper stationery into consideration. So this was a diary, right? And the main problem with this is the paper quality and the pen which I used. I used like a 2 rupees pen which is used by most of the students right now. And if you are keeping your notes for permanent, please don't use these kind of pen because the paper quality is not bad, the pen quality is bad. So you'll be able to see the patches, right? But I have written the same, this is the same book, but I have written this with an ink pen, right? So ink pen, only if there is a water it starts smudging, or else it's really nice. See, this were supposed to be my whole notes, but no, it's not like that. My most of the notes are actually, you can say, destroyed, I can say, right? And though you can read it, but it doesn't look nice, right? So this is one of the ways you can ruin actually your notes. You're all, you can say, your all hard work into this particular thing. So please don't do that. Either use a good quality pen or use an ink pen instead of using this particular quality of pen which smudges after years of use. So this is actually 11 years old book. Now you can understand what happens and what if I had using only and only ink pen to this. So yes, of course it is a bit shocking, right? Let me go and show you to my next book. This I have made in the year 2007, as you can see here very clearly, right? So I was in my 12th standard, right? And I started just learning about economics. The biggest mistake I did was I did not bind it properly, right? So it is in a very bad state, I do agree, right? And though the notes are very nice, see, the notes are very precise up to the point which I need. I have diagrams here. This is my economics notes actually, right? And this is what my handwriting used to look like at that particular time. So yes, these are very well preserved notes, right? But the paper quality is of course diminishing, and it will uh, tear itself like in 3 4 years. I'm damn sure for that. Though I used ball pens and ink pens, but the main problem I did with the notes is I didn't bind it properly. That is the biggest mistake I have done with this notes. This notes is really awesome, and I could have used it again and again, right? To understand the various differences, to understand the various concepts. But the biggest mistake I did was I did not bind it properly. So this is one of more mistakes you can do, right? Apart from that, there is a different types of notes which I've made in my recent years, right? So this is I've made with the ink pen, right? And this is, you can say, in landscape mode. But the problem with here is the quality of the paper is not good because whatever I write, of course it is an ink pen, it is smudge, it is very much smudged, right? If I can show you, it will get smudged in the next paper, right? So this will be the case if you are going to use ink paper. So if you are going to use ink paper, make sure you use very hard paper so that it doesn't smudge to the next paper. So you will be able to use only one paper at a time, one side of the book at a time, right? So please don't make a mistake like that, because I did with this whole book. I could not use the other part. See, I literally could not use the other part because everything is smudged from behind. Right? So this is one of the mistakes you can do if you use bad paper. Of course, whenever if you're considering to make a book in a very good shape, right? If you want to preserve it for like 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the lane, you should not make a mistake of choosing cheap stationery for sure. Okay, this is one of my papers list. Now, this I highly recommend. Why? I have used sketch pen here and ink pen here, but I have used it on rough pages. Rough pages means already printed pages that I might not use, right? And that are waste for me. Okay, so these are one side printed and one side blank. So what I did was I actually used these rough papers so that I can write one side. So even if I'm writing with, you can say, the sketch pen, it will smudge. It doesn't make much of a difference for me because already everything is the second paper here is not of that much use, right? So see, this is I have written with sketch pen and it is smudged here, but it doesn't make any difference for me because I'm not going to use this side of the paper, right? So this also you can take care of. So the best thing what you can do for your particular papers or for your particular notes are this I have made in the latest. So these are the management notes which I have made, and this is from ball pen, right? But this is from ink pen. This is a pure ink pen. The company of the pen is Preppy, right? This one I use, and Caltech, I guess. Just once again. Okay. The company, yes, Caltrix. Sorry, the company here. I'll just focus here. Yes, it's Caltrix. I'm really sorry about this. Oh my god, it's taking too much time. I'm really sorry. Yes, so it's Caltrix, right? This is also a very nice pen, to be very frank. It's really cheap. It's like 45 rupees, and this is of 250 rupees. But yes, they both work fine. And to be very frank, the notes turned out great. Okay, so you can use this. At the same time, what I did with this is the most important thing: the quality of the paper. I used a good quality paper which is very, you can say, hard, right? Which is not very, you can say, thin. It is with more, you can say, microns, right? And these papers are a bit expensive than normal, I do agree, but yes, for long term these are the best because the ink will not smudge in these papers. There'll be no problem like you can say smudging the ink or the paper getting torn, something like that, right? So these are one of the best paper and pens I've ever used as a stationery for my notes. So all the people who want to preserve their books, who want to preserve their notes for a very longer period of time, I highly suggest you guys to actually invest in good stationery, or else you'll end up regretting like me for various reasons which I am doing right now. So yes, please don't do that, or else you will get a horrible result. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos, and I'll be sharing all my experiences related to education, note making, stationery, anything which I learn. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.